Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm having cat problems this morning. Every time I come in here, he wants to be right in front of me, right here. Hey! Feeling much better today. The throat was sore last night, but I'm still on the steroids. But my eyes are feeling so much better today. Okay, we're going to talk TP. TP roll. I watched a video by Treasure Books, and she made a journal cover out of a toilet paper roll, and I did that. This one's a much better quality than the one that I actually used. This is from this 4 inches exactly. Sam's is precise. This comes out of Sam's toilet paper. The one that I used was actually from a Walmart, and it wasn't quite as it was a little like 1/4 inch longer, which I had to cut off, and it wasn't quite as sturdy. But the way you have to maneuver this thing to get it covered and get the eyelets in it and everything, I don't know, thin may have been better. I used I used pink eyelets and this color right here because this is what I had, and I used this paper out of this pad that a friend of mine had gotten me. She said I thought it was pretty, so she got me this pad of paper, used out of that. I used this as the cover of the journal. This is the piece that my sister picked out. I think I showed you on our Hobby Lobby haul that she said, oh, I like this one. Of course, you know, I'm not too much on pastels. I did find my others that I said that I bought some more, but I said I had some, but I did find some. I even have some cork, which I think is really cool. But yeah, so I'm going to make another one out of the neutral tones, but this was what I used for this particular project. And I did use this bamboo cord that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby when they had everything reduced. And I used the green. Should probably use the blue, but this had the green in it, so I went ahead and used the green. This is the only 1/8 inch ribbon that I had, and it was a coral color, so I went for it even though there was no coral in the paper or anything. All right, there you go. Here you go, right there. It's a journal inside of a toilet paper roll. You cover the inside with book paper and wrap it around, just like you would wrap a book cover, and then you put this paper, your decorative paper, over that, and you punch your holes and set your eyelets, thread this through, and then make your journal, which is really easy, and put it down in there. I just finished the beads this morning, and I hope they don't move. I don't think they will unless you really try. And then you put glue on the knot so it doesn't move. But then when you want the journal out, you kind of grab a hold of it and pull it out, and that just stays like that. And inside of there, she says put a sticker so it's pretty in there when you take the journal out. It's not so plain. And you can see that, like, I had a little trouble up here, you know, getting that to lay down, but I'm not going to worry about it. It is what it is. So anyway, that, and then the journal, you just cut. I think this one's about 4 inches. Yeah, 4 inches. And the paper, of course, you cut it. If you want it 8, you got to cut it down to 7, because when you fold it over, it just doesn't fit right. But you can reverse roll it when you want to, you know, write in it, because you actually can write in it, and then open it up and write in on the pages. I use plain paper because of the color of this paper on the outside. I really didn't think that tea dyed or anything would really go with it. And I had a little cut on the side of my hand because my hands have been so dry lately. I had a little cut on the side of my hand, so I literally have my blood into this project. But this is from my sister, so I don't think she's gonna care. We're probably the same blood type anyway. You kind of hope. And then you just, like, I fold it kind of tight because it's gonna fluff out, and there that fans out. Hold that like that, and then very carefully, like, put it down in there, and then let go. and put it on in there. Now it's in the roll. A 4-inch tube and a 4-inch journal. There's no no making it shorter or anything. You just do it. I got my when I was lacing it, I got it a little bit tighter at the bottom. And I think that a treasure book, I think her eyelets were smaller than mine. And then she made it look so easy to thread the beads, you know, but it wasn't that easy. Because you're not using a needle, you're just kind of cutting a sharp angle on that thread and then threading those beads on. And then, but it holds the beads down. This is not a good way to show this, but then like that. I thought it was really cute, and I'll probably be making another one. I don't have a lot. This was the only 1/8 inch. Besides, I think I have some red and maybe some green. 1/8 inch satin ribbon. But when she made all of hers a neutral color, and so she could put any color lace in here or ribbon in there if she wanted. She had red, and she might have had a green one, and she had some brown or black. So go over and watch her. I don't know what her name is. Every time she says it, I can't understand her name. Go over and watch her tutorial. It's real simple. She has it all written out on the sheet right there of what to do and how to do it, and then she does it while you can look at the sheet. One thing was I used 5 eyelets on each side of mine, and she used 7. And it looked really pretty because it was a whole lot tighter, but I'm not going to sweat it. This was a prototype, like I said, just to see if I could do it, if I wanted to make another one. And I do. I like it. I think it's very pretty. I'm going to make another one in the neutral tones. I may even lace it up with jute. You know, maybe. All right, and then that way I could get a bead on, a larger, like a wood bead or something on the end of it. Anyway, that's my toilet paper journal. She said if you can get past the ew or the ick factor because it's toilet paper roll, which toilet paper is probably some of the cleanest stuff. Well, in the beginning, but yeah, go check her out. She has got some wonderful ideas. She makes the prettiest stuff. All right, I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.